So imagine getting paid just to sit on your phone and watch videos. Now it sounds like one of those things that's either too good to be true or pays basically nothing. So in this video, I wanted to go through a few different apps and answer, can you actually make money this way? And if you can, how much are we really talking? So let's get this out of the way first. This is not going to be a way to replace your salary or a way to get super rich. This is going to be more like small, low effort money and a way to earn a bit of extra money while doing nothing else. So this could be something you can do while waiting in line, on a commute, or just sitting on the sofa. Now let's see how they actually work. So these apps don't pay you because your time is particularly valuable. The main reason they pay you is because you're watching ads, you're engaging with content, or you're helping companies test things. And a lot of the time you will be earning points, and then those points will convert into money or gift cards. So technically you're not getting paid for entertainment, you're getting paid to be part of a marketing system. So what are the actual apps that you can try? So I'd always recommend doing your own research, but these are some of the well-known platforms that people use. These platforms also have different types, so I'll go through them as well. Number one, reward platforms. So these platforms are pretty simple. It's you watch videos and you get points. So for example, this could be swag bucks, inbox dollars, or Y cents. Now these are probably the most common, and you watch short videos of playlists like news clips, ads, or entertainment videos. And then you earn points which you can convert straight into PayPal, gift cards, or vouchers. So these are very, very passive. You can often just let videos run, but the earnings are quite low. Then we have task-based apps. So this is stuff like Feature Points, App Karma, or Prize Rebel. So these will mix video watching with other small tasks. For example, like trying apps, completing offers, watching ads, or answering quick questions. And because of this, they usually pay a little bit more because it's slightly more active, but they do require a bit more attention. So it's less set and forget and more do this on your phone while you're on it anyway. And then there are get paid to watch ads. This would be something like YouTubes or ad wallets. And these are slightly different in that instead of watching endless videos, you get short ads, then answer a quick question, and then you get paid directly by each one. So you won't get loads of opportunities, but when they do come through, they tend to pay more per task. So across all of these, the model is basically the same, and that's you give your attention, companies get data or ad views, and you get paid a small amount in return. Now the real question is, how much money are we actually talking about? So if we talk real numbers here, typical earnings will be a few pence per video, small points per task, and then maybe £1 to £5 per session. So a realistic monthly expectation from this is going to be £10 to £50 for most people each month. So with these, you're not building a business here. You're earning small amounts for very low effort. That will help to supplement your income. And if you're going to do this, you need to approach it properly. So try and use multiple apps, so don't rely on just one. Make sure you run videos while doing other things. Try and focus on the higher paying tasks because there's some on there that are clearly far better than others. And cash out regularly as well. Your goal isn't to really grind this. The goal is to make money while you're doing nothing. In terms of what you should avoid, this space does have a lot of low quality apps, so make sure you're careful. Avoid any apps that ask for money up front, anything promising really high income, or apps with no clear payout system or suspicious data permissions. Because if it sounds way too good to be true, then it probably is. And these apps, they work best for people who have a lot of spare time, they want very low effort income, or you just want a bit of extra cash. And it's not for people trying to replace their income or build a big business. So can you really get paid to watch stuff on your phone? Yes, you can, but it's not life-changing. It's small, simple, low effort money. And if you treat it like that, it can actually be useful. Let me know in the comments if you've had any experience with any of these apps. And if you enjoyed this video, hit like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.